Hello everyone, my name is Nguyen, the owner of channel Polic Watching, the channel where we will take you deep inside the real world of American policing. Here you'll find authentic, educational insights through real bodycam and dashcam footage, moments of chaos, courage, and human decision under pressure. Every video captures dramatic, intense, and sometimes funny moments you wouldn't believe unless they were filmed. If you have ever wondered what really happened behind the badge and the blue light, you are here in the right place. At Polic Watching, we strictly follow YouTube monetization rules for transmitting content. First, we carefully select official and licensed bodycam and dashcam footage from verified law enforcement or abroad public recourse sources. This is the video I selected. I then write original script that add analysis, commentary, and educational insight, transforming the raw footage into meaningful, entertaining content with new context and perspective. Each video is a reaction and reinterpretation, not a re-upload, fully aligned with YouTube monetizable example like review, critique, and educational commentary. Once the script is ready, we bring it to life using licensed AI voiceover from 11 Labs, blending serious tones with sharp, sarcastic humor to match each moment's intensity. Then we move to CapCut, where we combine bodycam footage, commentary, effects, music, and subtitles to craft a complete entertainment video. Every second is designed to inform, engage, and entertain, turning real police encounters into powerful, thought-provoking stories on Polic Watching. Next comes the thumbnail creation. We start by capturing a key frame from the video, then use Google AI Studio with custom prompt to generate multiple versions featuring expressions that match the script tone. After that, we enhance the final image in ChatGPT for sharpness and perfect YouTube ratio, creating bold, eye-catching thumbnails that match its story tone. Finally, we craft the title, description, and keywords to make each video engaging and optimized for search. Then we upload the finished story to Polic Watching, where you can dive straight into the chaos, one frame at a time. If you're into real police encounters, love analyzing human behavior, and want to see what really happens when chaos meet the badge, stay tuned to Polic Watching. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new story. Got a wild case or bodycam moment we should cover? Leave it in the comments, it might be next. Thanks for watching Polic Watching, where every stop, every sound, and every second is real.